To expand your library's weeding opportunity, SCS tries to identify multiple copies of titles in your collection based on shared OCLC numbers. As you might guess, this task is not entirely straightforward because enumeration data and copy numbers are so often missing, inconsistent, or flawed. The hard part is to differentiate between duplicate copies and multi-volume sets. As a starting point, SCS normalizes the enumeration and copy data received in your extract. When these data are not present in dedicated fields, SCS will harvest what it can from the call number field. In GreenGlass and in item lists exported from GreenGlass, these harvested enumeration values are marked with an asterisk. To find the fullest list of possible duplicates, navigate to your library's overview page in GreenGlass and click on Remediation Lists in the upper right portion of the screen. Then click on Possible Duplicates. We say possible duplicates here because we identify them via the data alone, which means that these lists are not definitive. SCS suspects a duplicate copy when there's more than one item associated with an OCLC number and any of the items has no enumeration or copy number. Or there's more than one item associated with an OCLC number and two or more of the items share the same enumeration and/or copy number. Whenever one of these requirements has been met, GreenGlass displays the entire set of items that share the OCLC number. Each item in the set has an SCS assigned possible duplicate flag. Only those items flagged with a yes are suspected duplicates. The others are here to provide context. To export this complete list of possible duplicates sorted by OCLC record number, click here. Keep in mind that item lists in other parts of GreenGlass default to shelf list order. Possible duplicates are also incorporated into the SCS key metrics at the bottom of the landing page. Just like the remediation list described above, this tally includes all duplicate items plus the items that share an OCN. The possible duplicates key metric makes it possible for you to compare your library's collection with others in this respect. For libraries with very large collections, the complete possible duplicates list is too large to be convenient. For this reason, we have incorporated a possible duplicates search parameter in the GreenGlass Query Builder. As you can see, users are invited to isolate possible duplicates or to exclude possible duplicates from their results. Users can also choose to include or exclude the related items that are not themselves duplicates. To be clear, the possible duplicates option will retrieve only those items that are flagged as such, whereas possible duplicate or related item will retrieve the duplicates themselves plus all of the items that share the OCN, matching the logic of the remediation list. Obviously, it's possible to combine these parameters with others. We've heard from some users that they want to discover the extent of overlap between and only between 2 or 3 specific locations. Unfortunately, the logic needed for this calculation exceeds the current capability of GreenGlass. However, it's possible for your SCS liaison to generate this comparison offline. Please don't hesitate to request support of this kind. At present, if you search for possible duplicates in the Query Builder and you invoke 2 locations within your library, you will retrieve all the items that are held in both locations, but you will also retrieve items in the chosen locations that are duplicated elsewhere in the wider collection. Depending on the size of your collection, this may or may not be a problem. To find out, simply export the list. As always, it will first appear in shelf list order. Use Excel's sort feature to sort on WorldCat OCLC number instead. This will bring the duplicates together in your list. Note that the possible duplicate column displays a yes for all duplicated items and otherwise a no. This yes/no indicator can also be seen within GreenGlass in the Item Detail pane.